How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find prime numbers in Java. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you like to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. So first we're going to start off with our isPrime method. So public static void isPrime and int number as our argument. So first we're going to have int num of factors and set that to 0. So then we're going to check for our base cases. So if number is equal to 0 or number is equal to 1, we're going to have not prime, bro. Alright, next we're going to have a for loop. So for int I, we're going to set that to 1, I less than or equal to our number, and then we're going to increment I by 1. Inside our for loop, we're going to check if number mod I is equal to 0. We increment num of factors by 1. Outside of our for loop, we're going to say if num of factors is greater than 2, number is not prime, bro. Otherwise, we're going to have else if num of factors less than or equal to 2. And if it is, we're going to have system out number is prime, bro. All right, now it's time to test our code. So is prime 11. 11 is prime. Now let's try 2. 2 is prime. Now let's try 21. And 21 is not prime. So that's how you find prime numbers in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. All right, thank you for watching.